Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to activate your Jazz Cash ATM card in 2025. If you're in Pakistan and using Jazz Cash for your daily transactions, getting your ATM card activated is a game changer for easy cash withdrawals and payments. Let's dive right in, step by step, so you can do this quickly and without any hassle. First off, make sure you have the Jazz Cash app downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store. It's free and straightforward. Once installed, open the app and log in with your registered mobile number and PIN. If you're a new user, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and secure. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the Cards or My Cards section in the menu. This is usually found on the home screen or under Settings. Look for an icon that looks like a card. Here, you'll find the option to activate your ATM card. Click on it and enter the required details, like your card number, expiry date, and the CVV code from the back of your card. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Next, you'll receive a one-time password, OTP, on your registered mobile number. Enter that OTP in the app to verify your request. This adds an extra layer of security, so it's a good thing. After successful verification, your card will be activated almost instantly. You can now use it at any ATM or for online transactions. A quick tip: always keep your PIN confidential and change it regularly for safety. If you run into any issues, Jazz Cash has excellent customer support. Just dial their helpline. There you have it, folks. Activating your Jazz Cash ATM card is easier than you think. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.